Right now, XRP Ripple is on fire. And well, the most recent buzz is about BlackRock, the richest business in the world, intending to pump XRP in an unexpected manner few could have imagined. BlackRock allegedly plans to purchase XRP coins valued up to $27 billion. Although this number appears completely insane at first, analysts forecasting XRP's price might skyrocket to an incredible $2,500 per coin piques even more interest. This movie tries to untangle this story and demonstrate why one cannot ignore such a positive signal. The concept of BlackRock starting an XRP ETF has already rocked the crypto industry and spurred speculation as well as some audacious projections. While others like CryptoGeek stretch that figure up to $27 billion, others like Ant say BlackRock would acquire XRP valued $9 quadrillion. Even if these figures might be inflated, the force behind the rumors is what counts most. An ETF is not only one more financial instrument. Actually, it speaks to institutional approval and legitimacy. BlackRock's formal approval, unleashing trillions of institutional capital when it entered the Bitcoin ETF industry, represented Wall Street's official approval. Given XRP's practical, proved use case rapid and efficient cross-border payments, a similar ETF linked to XRP would probably have an even more impact. XRP was developed to enable worldwide transactions and is already embraced by banks and payment providers, unlike Bitcoin, which is sometimes considered as digital gold. But it has needed popular financial validation, something only a behemoth like BlackRock can provide. Should BlackRock launch an XRP ETF, XRP immediately changes from a speculative token to an institutional-grade asset, creating opportunities for conservative money like hedge funds and retirement portfolios to be invested in a controlled, compliant vehicle. This is transformational as well as hopeful. XRP's reputation and acceptance had already been tarnished by regulatory uncertainty, particularly the SEC litigation against Ripple. But Ripple's recent legal triumphs have cleared the air and provide XRP one of the most clear regulatory routes in the US. This is absolutely vital since long-term sustainability, safety, and compliance are extremely important to institutions. The credibility of the BlackRock would propel XRP from fringe to mainstream importance. Once XRP was disregarded, analysts would start publishing thorough analyses, ratings, and price estimates, maybe illuminating Bloomberg terminals with XRP predictions. Often dismissed or laughed at, Ripple would at last get some respect. By means of alliances with central banks, payment corridors, and blockchain-friendly governments, Ripple has quietly been laying a strong basis. Should BlackRock even make suggestions about an XRP ETF, market responses would be quick and forceful, with analysts changing their models and traders attempting to front-run the news. The billions could arrive in a few weeks. XRP might really redefine what it means to be a utility-based digital asset in the perspective of global finance with proven value, a clear regulatory path, and the support of the most powerful asset manager worldwide. Still, that's only the top layer. Should BlackRock formally create an XRP ETF, analysts and insiders in cryptocurrencies have some amazing forecasts, with traders, influencers, and crypto veterans all suggesting that we are poised on the brink of a once-in-a-lifetime event. The XRP community is humming with hope. Calling this the last drop, influencers like XRP Dragon are pushing individuals to buy and keep XRP. Levi is alerting others that the price of XRP might suddenly explode without notice. With national debt, driving the price to an eye-watering $640 per coin. King XRP has even boldly suggested that XRP may indeed replace the US currency, may be supported by the Federal Reserve. Although such a claim is grand and most certainly draws questions, the reasoning is really convincing. A rapid, borderless, scalable asset like XRP might become a lifesaver for the US dealing with mounting debt and declining faith in fiat currencies. Steph is crypto, a reputable chart analyst whose wildest prediction is XRP hitting $2,500 by the year February 1930. That comes out to be a 19,000% increase. This would suggest a market cap more than $146 billion, which many would find somewhat difficult to comprehend. Many analysts, however, are questioning conventional market cap restrictions and stressing that adoption, liquidity, and utility far more than theoretical caps. These lofty price projections might not be merely moonshots, but rather achievable roadmaps. If XRP becomes into the global settlement layer for governments, banks, and companies. As Amanx says, somewhat frankly, the XRP cannot be stopped. Deeper river of preparation and momentum underlies the memes and viral forecasts. For almost 10 years, Ripple has developed a strong ecosystem linking central banks, payment systems, and blockchain-friendly governments. BlackRock rumors are hot, and institutional interest is rising. XRP is becoming a major rival in the future of money, rather than only a speculative asset. If you're on the sidelines believing it's just noise, you might want to pay close attention as Levi mentioned, XRP's next action will be silent rather than noisy. Let us now discuss Ripple's most recent alliances, some of which are fast leaking but have not yet been formally revealed. Ripple plans more than just expansion. It is aiming for world rule. Their vision goes beyond mere dazzling blockchain technology or headline-grabbing offers. It's about creating a seamless financial environment using XRP, wherein internet behemoths such as Google, Uber, and Airbnb may run frictionless across borders. Imagine Uber paying Nigerian drivers immediately, or Airbnb handling bookings in several currencies without delay or expensive fees. Driven by XRP's lightning-fast ledger, Google could deliver payments to developers all around the world right now. Real power in XRP is this utility. It's not only a speculative token, its design is for low fees, quick speed, and cross-border settlement. For the developing digital economy, Ripple's technology combines blockchain speed and transparency with conventional financial compliance, therefore providing the perfect bridge coin. If this idea comes to pass, on a big scale, XRP would become extremely sought for. Should businesses such as Uber or Airbnb begin using XRP for liquidity, they will need large amounts of XRP, therefore perhaps altering its value. Early foresight of Ripple in creating this infrastructure, even before Silicon Valley adopted stable currency and blockchain, emphasizes why XRP could see exponential development in not-too-distant future. Demand for a rapid, scalable, dependable bridge currency will explode as more businesses and institutions embrace blockchain-based payments. XRP is particularly special. It is a utility token ready for its time, not a coin, just waiting for buzz. Apart from this increasing acceptance, whale behavior exposes the silent XRP accumulation by major participants. Shortly after freeing 1 billion tokens from escrow, Ripple made news distributing around 500 million XRP tokens to an unidentified wallet. Whale movements are significant since, When big investors accumulate tokens, the circulating supply closes and increases price pressure. Popular tracker of major cryptocurrency transactions